Hello guys, what's up? Today is Friday. Hinihintay ko po yung pagdating ng aking oh, here we are. Andiyan na rin, dumating na yung aking sasakyan. Oh, here we are, Cycle Work Sports. Ito na po yung hinihintay ko, mga kaibigan. Yung aking CB300R. How are you, Ryan? Good.
Good. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. I took the wrong turn.
Oh, okay. It's fine.
Run around. How's your day going?
Good. It's raining, eh?
Yeah, it is.
Are you riding a motorcycle too?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got a bike at home.
What's your bike?
I have a Husqvarna FE350.
Oh,
And then I also have a 1991 Suzuki R
Classic.
50. Yeah. It's a really nice bike though. I was like looking at it like maybe I should pick one up for myself.
sure.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's out of stock always. At other dealer, there's no stock.
Very popular. How's your morning been? Busy or?
No, I'm off from work, so I ended 11 o'clock last night.
Really
So
nice little development here, hey?
yeah, where you live?
I live in True Park.
Oh,
Yeah, I have a house there.
far, eh?
A little bit, yeah. I work mainly out of the South Side store.
Oh, there's Southside store
I
also.
drive for the West as well, so.
Oh, okay. Nice. Very nice.
The garage?
Yeah. I put my license plate and alright, very nice.
Perfect. That's it, that's all.
Yeah.
Enjoy, ride
You have
safe.
the key?
Sorry? Yeah, keys right here.
Keys. There only one, eh? Oh,
There's
perfect.
two, there's two on
Oh, there's two?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry.
Just for your coffee.
Oh, thank you. Have a
Have a
great
good day.
day.
You too. Very nice. See? Honda CB300. Wow. Very nice. First back in Canada. My first back in Canada. Nice. CB300. Perfect. All right. Okay, I'm gonna start it later. Bye bye.